What we want from the General Congress is to accept the political isolation law and make it valid from September 1969. Even if they defected from the former regime, we tell them thank you, but we need new people to run the state, not the same old people.
Libya's General National Congress, its highest political authority, voted overwhelmingly in favour of the law.
This law was technically a very bad and negative upgrade, or actually downgrade, of the previous integrity law in Libya. We had a reasonable law that have isolated a very small segment of the people that may have committed crimes against the Libyan people and who were really in charge of the Gaddafi regime. But this new law that was enacted about mid-2013 actually was forced by two things. The first was the pressure or the extreme pressure exercised by extremists in Libya. The people who, extremists I meant here, the people or the militias and militia leaders who were trying to push the country towards becoming another tyranny. GNTC itself was occupied by force, sometimes by armed people, until this political isolation law was passed. So it was under pressure, and many of the MPs in GNC have already mentioned that in the media. And the other reason was the political competition between the political parties in the country. They were competing on adding people to the list of banning from official office in Libya. So not only the Gaddafi regime officials were banned, many other people were banned. So it was a very negative development. I know that the parliament in Tobruk, which is competing with the GNC, have abolished this law. But this came not in the say sequence of legislature agreement. It came because of the say infight in the country, where Tobruk was trying to exercise pressure on GNC in Tripoli and vice versa. This caused that the Tobruk parliament was accused of being, trying to align itself with former regime officials. This is very negative. Therefore, I think a better solution would be to return to the original integrity law, which was enacted in more normal circumstances than the current and going on violent conflict in Libya.